Today we're going to talk about our Spam Protect service, incoming blacklist filtering rules. Well, why are we going to talk about that? Well, we do get a lot of questions from people about how to better filter email. And if you're taking advantage of our Spam Protect service, then you know that most of your email is already being filtered very nicely. But today I'm going to talk about how easy it is to set up filtering rules. And the type of filtering rules we're going to try to filter against today are crypto related terms. You know, lately I've been getting a lot of junk mail being quarantined relating to encryption and crypto and investing and all that good stuff. And today I'm just going to show you quickly how to create a filtering rule that you can import into your Spam Protect service incoming blacklist filtering rules list that will better enable you to block all that junk and prevent it from getting into your inbox and also in your quarantine. Okay, so what we're going to do is take advantage of a little rule list that I've already created for you, and we're going to edit it and then we're going to import it. So here's my little text file. I'm just keeping it simple for you. We're going to use this text file to create a list of rules. This top line needs to remain. That's the basic columns of the list. And then this is the first line. Crypto is the thing we're going to rule against. So let me go ahead and create a couple of lines, duplicate them. Okay, so we're going to start by looking at one of my existing quarantines and noting the words that I don't want to receive. Notice the investment with two N's. Notice we have a couple of other words in here I don't like. Let's just do Bitcoin as well. So we have crypto as the first line, and then we're going to do Bitcoin as a second. See how easy this is? I'm just basically typing in a text editor, keeping it simple. Investment with two N's. And then, hey, you know what? Let's add another one. Let's do crypto with a 0, like this one has. 0. Perfect. That's it. And then we're going to go ahead and save this as a .csv file. File, save as. And we're just going to save it over my existing copy and replace. Okay, so all I did was take my little sample list, added additional lines, and saved it as a CSV. Now I'm going to go back to my incoming blacklist filtering rules and go ahead and import that file. Import, select, and choose, and open, and import. And it'll take a moment to import, but once it imports, it'll include those different words. And then I'll show you an example of what happens when you send an email with one of those words in it. Okay, now we're going to close and go ahead and refresh this page to see the newly added rule. I click the refresh page in my browser window. And then wait a moment and it'll show you the rules. All right, perfect. Now see how easy that was. It just created the rules for us. It gave us the expression that it's going to block against. And let me give you an example of what the email looks like when I attempt to send the email with the word crypto or Bitcoin in the body of the message. All right, so this is an example. I actually sent the email from my address, and my email address that I sent it to actually sent a rejected notice back to the person who sent it. So it actually never arrives in my quarantine or in my inbox. So that's as easy as it gets. So if you'd like to take advantage of the incoming blacklist filtering rules, please contact us. I'll provide you the sample file if you'd like, so you can get started and better filter that bad email and prevent it from getting into your inbox. Enjoy.